How to log in to Avantika University. So if you want to log in to Avantika University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Avantika University login. And once you've searched, here you will have login under Avantika University. Click on that login. And now it will take you to the login page. So you can simply scroll down, and here you can log in with your LinkedIn, or you can log in with your Google, or you can also log in with your email ID. So I'll be choosing email ID. Enter your email ID, and once you've entered, you need to enter your password on the next blank. And once you enter your password, if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then you can click on submit. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for click here to sign up now so that you can sign up to Avantika University. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then enter your information like your email and your password and then click on submit. And once you click on submit, it will log you into your Avantika University. So that's it. That's how you log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.